Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice. Start with cold, day-old rice and gather aromatics, protein, soy sauce, sesame oil, and oil for high-heat cooking. Prep all ingredients and measure sauces before heating the pan. Chop vegetables uniformly and beat eggs lightly. Having everything ready lets you cook quickly and keep a lively texture. Heat the wok until it is smoking slightly, then add oil and aromatics for a quick flavor bloom. Push ingredients to the side and scramble eggs in the hot center, then combine. Add rice in one layer and let it sit briefly to get golden spots before tossing. Finish with soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and chopped scallions for brightness and aroma. Season incrementally using soy sauce and a small pinch of salt, remembering you can always add more. For contrast, a dash of rice vinegar or a squeeze of lime brightens the dish. Mix in peas, carrots, bell pepper, or leftover proteins to vary texture. For spicy notes, add chili oil or sriracha sparingly. Finish with sesame oil and scallions to lift the flavors and add a nutty aroma.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.